everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Curious Mind. Today we discuss top 30 most important MCQs on India Tariff 2025. Let's we start. Theme A, Tariff Structure and Custom Change. Question number 1, the number of basic custom duty BCD slabs was reduced from 21 to option A 10, option B 7, option C 8, option D 12. Correct answer option C 8. Question number 2, which sector saw a sharp cut in BCD 150% to 70% in 2025? Option A luxury cars, option B dairy, option C textiles, option D IT hardware. Correct answer option A luxury cars. Question number 3, tariff on footwear was option A increased to 35%, option B reduced to 20%, option C nil, option D unchanged. Correct answer option B reduced to 20%. Question number 4, copper waste and scrap duty in 2025 become option A nil, option B 20%, option C 10%, option D 5%. Correct answer option A nil. Question number 5, sorbitol's BCD was reduced from 30% to option A 20%, option B 15%, option C 10%, option D nil. Correct answer option A 20%. Theme B, policy rationality and compliance. Question number 6, tariff rationalization in 2025 mainly aimed to option A support MSMEs, option B boost luxury imports, option C remove GST, option D protect fossil fuels. Correct answer option A support MSMEs. Question number 7, which body update India's import policy after tariff change? Option A RBI, option B DGFT, option C SEBI, option D TRAI. Correct answer option B DGFT. Question number 8, IGST paid on imports can be claimed back through option A import tax credit, option B GST waiver, option C export rebate, option D custom refund. Correct answer option A import tax credit. Theme C, India US tariff tension. Question number 9, by August 2025 total US tariff on Indian goods reached option A 25%, option B 50%, option C 15%, option D 10%. Correct answer option B 50%. Question number 10, the first 25% US tariff order was signed on option A July 30, 2025, option B June 1st, 2025, option C August 15, 2025, option D May 20, 2025. Correct answer option A July 30, 2025. Question number 11, one justification given by US for tariffs was option A India's Russian oil and arms imports, option B India's GST policies, option C India's digital trade bans, option D currency manipulation. Correct answer option A India's Russian oil and arms imports. Theme D, economic and strategic impact. Question number 12, which industry in Tamil Nadu face major risk from tariffs? Option A textiles, option B pharma, option C IT, option D auto. Correct answer option A textiles. Question number 13, relief measure suggested by Tamil Nadu CM. Option A interest subvention, B export ban, option C GST hike, option D tariff increase. Correct answer option A interest subvention. Question number 14. Modi's main response strategy to tariff tensions. Option A, self-reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Option B, reduce manufacturing. Option C, depend on imports. Option D, cancel FTAs. Correct answer option A, self-reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Question number 15. Estimate export height India could face from US tariffs. Option A, $50 billion. Option B, $10 billion. Option C, $100 million. Option D, $200 billion. Correct answer option A, $50 billion. Theme A, India-UK trade agreement. Question number 16. Under India-UK deal, how much of Indian export will be duty-free? Option A, 99%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 25%. Correct answer option A, 99%. Question number 17. UK tariffs on India's spice and foods item in 2025 were option A, reduced to 0. Option B raised to 10%. Option C, doubled. Option D, unchanged. Correct answer option A, reduced to 0. Theme F, finance bill adjustment. Question number 18. BCD on pharma reference standards was reduced to option A, 10%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 5%. Option D, nil. Correct answer option A, 10%. Question number 19. Repair binders and chemicals tariff cut was option A, 25% to 20%. Option B, 20% to 10%. Option C, 30% to 15%. Option D, no change. Correct answer option A, 25% to 20%. Question number 20. Wet blue leather tariff was reduced to option A, nil. Option B, 20%. Option C, 5%. Option D, 10%. Correct answer option A, nil. Theme G, conceptual tariff basis. Question number 21. Import tariff is a tax levied on option A, imported goods. Option B, domestic goods. Option C, exports. Option D, services. Correct answer option A, imported goods. Question number 22. Assessable value for custom is calculated on option A, CIF bracket 4 plus trade plus insurance. Option B, FOB only. Option C, GST included. Option D, export price only. Correct answer option A, CIF bracket 4 plus trade plus insurance. Question number 23. SCN code is used to option A, identify product duty rates. Option B, identify importer. Option C, classify GST only. Option D, track subsides. Correct answer option A, identify product duty rates. Theme H, scenario and advance. Question number 24. Platinum finding duty reduced to option A, 5% BCD plus 1.4% AIDC. Option B, nil. Option C, 10%. Option D, 25%. Correct answer option A, 5% BCD plus 1.4% AIDC. Question number 25. Lab chemicals tariff in 2025 was option A, 70% BCD plus 70% AIDC. Option B, 150% flat. Option C, nil. Option D, 10%. Correct answer option A, 70% BCD plus 70% AIDC. Question number 26. Tariff changes were announced via which notification? Option A, for 2025 custom February 1, 2025. Option B, to 2023 customs. Option C, 5 2024 customs. Option D, none. Correct answer option A, for 2025 custom February 1, 2025. Question number 27. Which chapter saw no tariff change in 2025? Option A 35 to 37. Option B 28 to 30. Option C 72 to 74. Option D 85 to 87. Correct answer option A 35 to 37. Question number 28. Tamil Nadu CM linked tariff to job risks in option A 30 lakh textile jobs, option B 1 lakh auto jobs, option C 5 lakh IT jobs, option D 50,000 pharma jobs. Option A correct answer option A 30 lakh textile jobs. Question number 29. Which product retained AIDC even after BCD cut? Option A motor vehicles, option B leather, option C sorbitol, option D copper scrap. Correct answer option A motor vehicles. Question number 30. Parliamentary committee suggested tariff cuts to boost option A local manufacturing, option B imports only, option C services, option D agriculture subsides. Correct answer option A local manufacturing.